Alright, this is going to be a little bit different from the other videos I've made. Essentially what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your Nissan Leaf key fob. This is something that actually I'm surprised how often you have to do it. You have to do it about once every year. It seems that the car is quite hard on these batteries. It does show you on the display though when the battery's getting a little bit low. Essentially, though, what you need a 2025 battery. You need the key fob obviously, and I find something like this little Swiss Army knife works really well. So first thing is we're going to take the key out. It's a little switch. And in case anyone doesn't know, this is the manual key to open the car door in case the key fob battery does die. Now there's going to be there's a little indent in there. So you take the non-sharp side of your multi-tool and just twist, and it peels apart. Work all the way around and you'll get two pieces. It's pretty obvious here where the battery is. And using the same tool, I just kind of take it in the bottom, and there you go. You'll see on the unit itself there's a little plus indicator. That's to line up with the plus side here, so that's kind of plus side down. Now let's get our battery out. This is a brand new battery, and I would encourage investing in a decent brand just so you get the longest life out of it. This one has a little protector on it to make sure that it's not shorting or wasting the battery. And then you'll see there are a couple little metal bumpers here. Push it on there and down. So in, down. All we do is line this up. It's pretty obvious once again where this lines up. Just start squeezing it. Put the key back in, and you're done. You now have a fully functional remote. So that's how you replace the battery in this Nissan Leaf key fob. Thanks for watching.